Hello Gala token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. In this video I'm talking about Gala token price update guys, but first of all I want congratulations to all of you, those people who's holding Gala token, that after a long time I found Gala token positive. So I believe that for a long time Gala token will continue these positive changes guys. And guys, I request everybody to please subscribe now our channel for more update and news videos guys. The right now price of Gala token is about 0.1043 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Gala token. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes, so 7.75% positive changes occurred in the Gala token, guys. The changes of Gala token is going positive from yesterday, guys. So that's mean that my prediction is I predicated in my previous videos that from October possibilities that the price start pumping. So now they're in the pumping mood and it's October, so obviously my prediction is going 100% positive guys. You can see now the change is about 7%, 8%. You can see price pump 8%, the price is positive, but trading volume is still negative because a lot of people, a lot of short time investors selling still. That's why the trading volume is negative. So don't look here. Very soon guys, very soon you found, just hold. If you are holding Gala, so please I suggest for all of you to hold to the last of October. You will find you will get a huge profit at the last of October guys. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.